What's up, you high achievers? So in this video, we're going to break down our high converting, high ticket Instagram outreach workflow. So you're going to be joining me on the iPad today, and we're going to be walking through step by step. And if you want the actual SOPs with all the tools and how exactly what you need to be saying, right? The frameworks, all that stuff, so that you can guarantee to get high ticket deals closing from your Instagram and essentially just turn your Instagram into this client attraction and conversion machine. DM me or just go to vitalgrowthmedia.com and just book a quick 15-minute discovery call with one of my alignment specialists to see if our systems would be a good fit for you and your team to leverage inside your own business. All right, well, let's get to it, guys. So join me on the iPad. And we'll just go step-by-step walkthrough of this entire system, okay? So we start off with profile optimization. We go into initiating the conversation. We leverage our follow-up strategy. We go into the video presentation, and then we look for key things, right? Engagement and feedback. So let's dive right in. So what is profile optimization, right? It comes down to just a couple really important things. So your value statement. Your entire bio should be focused around your value statement. So what is a value statement, right? It's who do you serve? What problem do you solve? What result do you get them? And through what proprietary method? Once you put all that together, that's your value statement. And then the only place we can ever put a link on Instagram is your bio. So it's really important that the link in your bio goes either to a video sales letter or some other type of conversion mechanism. Okay? And then we need undeniable proof that you are who you say you are and you help the people who you say you help. Okay? So at a bare minimum, you need at least 4 posts, whether it's a just regular static post, whether it's a carousel, whether it's a reel, whatever. It needs to be undeniable proof that you are who you say you are. Okay? And then you got to make a decision. It's a very important decision we got to make. Do you want to build a brand? Yes or no? If you want to build a brand, you're going to go into the net approach. So the net approach is where we leverage keywords, right? Hashtags. We're leveraging a community where people are already posting, right? To get you discovered, to build brand. If you don't want to build brand, you want to use the sniper approach, right? You know exactly who you're going after. So the way you would use the sniper approach is you would leverage Sales Navigator on LinkedIn. You would know exactly who you're targeting, and you would find those people that you found on LinkedIn. You would go find them on Instagram. Okay, so I recommend you use both approaches because there needs to be a beautiful balance of building brand, but also closing deals and collecting cash with your ideal clients, right? So it just comes down to which one do you want to do first, right? And that's completely up to you. I have my own thoughts on it. I do always recommend that you initially build brand because you want to build social proof, but at the same time, you want to hit that sniper approach and get the people that you absolutely know for a fact that you could transform their lives. All right, so that's how we do profile optimization, and then we go into initiating the conversation, right? So this is the most simplest step, which is just sliding into those DMs. You slide into those DMs and you're going to leverage the ABCD framework, right? If you don't know what the ABCD framework is, you should definitely keep watching these videos, hit that subscribe button, and go binge watch all my content to find out what the ABCD framework is. But I'm just going to break it down for you, right? So A stands for acknowledge, B stands for bridge, C stands for credibility, and D is direct offer. Okay, so what does that mean, right? You're acknowledging them, right? Acknowledging how you found them, right? You're bridging it by saying who you help, right? And then the credibility comes in, the C comes in with you sharing your expertise, right? And the problems that you solve. And then you do a direct offer, whatever your direct offer is. If you need help coming up with these things and structuring that, you already know, book a call with my team and we'll see if we'd be a good fit to help you. But that's what you want to do when you're initiating the conversation. You want to DM and just leverage the ABCD framework. Then we go into follow-up strategy. So from our last step, did they respond? If yes, then you go straight into qualification. If no, we go straight into our 3-strike rule. So what is the 3-strike rule, right? You follow up 3 times if they don't respond. After 3 times they still haven't responded, you can move on to the next one, right? Don't keep following that up with them. Don't keep trying to engage with them. They're not going to respond. Don't waste time. Just go to another qualified prospect, okay? So if they did respond, we go into qualification, right? And when we go into qualification, that means we dig deeper on pain. Okay, we have a specific way that we do this, but overall, if you're good at sales, you probably know what I mean by dig deeper on pain, right? You get into their actual needs, right? And if they're qualified after you digging deep on pain, if they're qualified, ask them if they want a walkthrough or training to fix their pain. Now, obviously, you're going to replace pain with whatever they're actually telling you. Okay? But that's the follow-up strategy. And then we get into the video presentation, right? So you want to be able to gauge, is this person willing to give me their email, right? And if they're willing to give you their email, then you want to collect email and send the VSL through email. If they're not, you just want to send the VSL or the personalized video, whatever it is, in the DMs to reduce any type of friction. Okay, and then we go into engagement and feedback. So we want to do the feedback loop. We want to understand, right? What did you think about the video, right? And then you have to ask yourself, did they enjoy the VSL based on that feedback, right? If they did, you want to move forward with booking the strategy call. If they didn't, you want to ask for feedback and then take that feedback and refine your video sales letter. Okay. And if you're just doing this for the first time ever, you're probably proving out a niche or you're new to this space, right? You need to expect that there's going to be a minimum of 3 iterations to that VSL before you're ever going to feel like it's good and you got it on the bullseye, right? But overall, that is our high converting, high ticket Instagram outreach workflow. If you are in the high ticket space where your offer's a minimum 10K and it goes beyond that, right? This is what you need to be leveraging. If you're playing that small game, don't do this. I mean, obviously, don't waste your time playing the small game. but yeah, if you're high ticket, you want something that's going to convert really well, leverage this specific workflow, okay? So I just want to share with you guys real quick of how we approached real estate billionaires, okay? Billionaires. These are experts in the real estate industry. It's specifically in the multifamily industry, okay? They were fucking gigantic in South Florida. And this is exactly how we landed them. With precise hashtag targeting, a well-crafted DM, we got them interested enough to view our video sales letter, which eventually led to a 6-figure build out. Okay, I want you guys to get it. This has to click. This has to make sense. Okay, how did we find them? Yeah, we found them. We built brand with the hashtags. And guess what? We also did our research. Right? We knew we weren't playing with small time people. We knew we needed to come prepared. So we leveraged LinkedIn, we leveraged Sales Navigator to do even more research and get them the perfect type of solution that they needed for them, right? Another example, right? And I just want to let you in on a little secret, okay? We went toe to toe with market leaders like Sam Ovens, right? The Fletcher method or the Ask method or whatever, right? But we didn't just mimic them, okay? Our offer was a done-for-you solution that achieved amazing transformative results, making us irresistible to high-value clients, okay? I want you guys to remember, We're not here to blend in. We're here to stand out and offer solutions that are several cuts above the rest, dude. We are the Wagyu of our industry, okay? We're not the New York Strip. Okay, so your approach must echo your belief in the unparalleled value that you bring. And if you're going to compete with market leaders, you want to make sure your offer isn't just better, it's groundbreaking. And there you have it, guys, a comprehensive blueprint for Instagram outreach that could be a game changer for your B2B ventures. So now go on and disrupt those industries. And if you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe for more insider strategies. I'll see you guys in the next one.